Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming scope. Is the gray screen in one tab, multiple tabs, or all devices? That tells you whether the issue is local. Next, restart the browser and install any pending updates. Browsers often patch playback bugs. Then, disable extensions, add blockers, privacy tools, or hardware acceleration plugins, as they frequently block video rendering. Once done, make sure to clear the cache for the site and hard refresh the tab so old assets don't keep causing the gray overlay. You should now tackle deeper causes. Toggle hardware acceleration off and on in the browser settings because GPU rendering can produce a gray frame. Restart after changes. Next, verify protected content and DRM components like Widevine are enabled and up to date, since YouTube needs them for playback. Then test in incognito or a different browser to isolate extensions and profile issues. If the video plays elsewhere, rebuild your profile or reset browser settings. Otherwise, move to system-level fixes. Finally, address system-level blockers. Update GPU drivers and install OS updates because outdated drivers often cause gray frames. Temporarily quit or disable screen recording, overlay, or anti-cheat apps that hook video surfaces, then retest playback. If problems persist, create a new browser profile or reinstall the browser to eliminate corrupted settings. One key tip: if the gray screen remains, test on another device. That helps decide whether to contact ISP, YouTube support, or
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.